G'day, here's a few pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, semi-crystal type material. Should be reasonably easy to cut most of it. Now I'll zoom in a little bit. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. The white you can see on some of these is the reflection of the lights. Okay, we'll go and zoom in. Okay, as you can see they're quite large pieces. Semi-crystal sort of material. This sends more sort of potch colours up on the right hand side. Purple bar there. Opal on the end there, you can see the black potch. Might end up with quite a nice little stone there. Cut it off there, end up with a second piece. I think I showed this piece. Green, purple, blue blues. Semi-crystal this material. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.